Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kubeflow on Google Kubernetes for ML workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Kubeflow on Google Kubernetes for your machine learning workflows, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a Google Cloud account and a project set up. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Activate the Kubernetes Engine API in your project. Once activated, open the Kubernetes Engine section in the console. Click on Create Cluster to start a new Kubernetes cluster. Select the settings suitable for your ML workloads. Make sure to use a zone where you want your cluster deployed. Choose a standard cluster for a balanced configuration. Set your desired number of nodes based on your requirements. Click Create and wait for your cluster to be provisioned. Next, install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. Open your terminal and initialize the SDK with your Google Cloud account. Run the command to authenticate your cloud session. Set your project ID by executing the corresponding command. Get the credentials for your new cluster with the command provided. Confirm that your local environment is connected to the cluster. Now, install Kubeflow using the KFCTL tool. Download the latest release of KFCTL from the official Kubeflow website. Extract the downloaded file to a convenient directory. Set the environment variable to point to your Kubeflow deployment. Create a new configuration for Kubeflow by using the example YAML file. Deploy Kubeflow on the specified cluster using the KFCTL apply command. Monitor the deployment process through the terminal. Once the process completes, access the Kubeflow dashboard URL provided in the output. Log in using the credentials you set up during configuration. Explore the dashboard to start creating and managing your ML workflows. With these steps completed, your Kubeflow instance should now be fully activated on Google Kubernetes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.